Another day, another dollar, but today not going to be getting dollars, probably spending instead. So, but before we get into this, just wanted to quickly say, just last night going to bed, it was like 1,800 subscribers for 4 Wheel Fun Bros, and woke up, it's already 1,900 something. A bunch of comments on these last 2 videos of my brother's build on his 335, so that's crazy. Never expected that. I mean, I always liked making videos. We've been kind of building little cars like this, nothing crazy, but you guys are subscribing, commenting, liking. Just wanted to say thank you so much because it does mean a lot. So let's get 4 Wheel Fun Bros, the channel, up to 2,000 subscribers, right T? The lion? Oh, he's like, oh snap, don't record me, I'm shy. Anyways, let's do that and that'll be awesome. With that out of the way, pretty much my brother found that rear bumper, and 09 335s, they didn't have sport bumpers for any of the models, I believe. So my brother just wants to upgrade his exterior. So he already ordered up a front bumper off eBay. He got side skirts, M3 side skirts, and now he found a rear bumper with a diffuser. So we're gonna try to pick it up for like 500 or 550. It's up for like 750 or something like that. So hopefully we could get a decent deal and pick this thing up today. We just picked up this bumper from German Auto Recycling down here on Recycle Road in Sacktown. So as you can see, doesn't have any damages. We got it for 500 bucks. These are pretty pricey, and I think this is like the only one in Sacramento that was listed anywhere.
Without the park assist?
Yeah, without park assist.
And package.
And package. So, dang, this thing's gonna be looking fat from the back with this diffuser. Clean it up once we get home. We didn't see any major damages, so repaint it to his color that he needs it. Put it back in this car and dip home. R.I.P. Love you. Yeah, he's alive. Alright, so here's the bumper. Like we said, just washed it up, trying to check for any damages. We didn't find any. There's just a little light surface scratch right there. Probably take it off with your fingernail, but rear diffuser is perfect, super glossy. These aftermarket rear bumpers are going for 550 with tax, so this one for 500 is a decent deal. I'd go OEM any day over aftermarket, especially in the rear end. So goodbye. There it is. So all we gotta do now is wait until the other pieces come in. We'll make a video. Until then, see ya. Alright, so that last piece, the front bumper, is finally here. So let's just do a quick overview, show you guys what we're working with and what we're trying to get repainted. So since my brother has the 09 335, they never made a sport bumper other than a lip. That lip is humongous. It's, honestly, if you guys check it out, it makes it look a little better, makes it look sportier, but that lip is like adding a second bumper. We didn't really want to do that, so my brother just went aftermarket, and this is going to be like a 09 335, but with the look of a 335 IS, you know, the facelift version, front end. So it's going to look nicer, obviously. So it does come with the lower grills and the fog lights, but it does not come with the kidney grills. Next, we got that rear bumper. It's a M-Tech pretty much. As you see, we picked it up from the dismantler. It's OEM. It's nice. And last but not least, we got the M3 Rep side skirt. So it's the same thing as the M3, just the replica, just like the front bumper. So we didn't do a test fit on this one, but we're gonna get it painted and just gonna try it that way. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be all okay. So these 3 pieces, or 4 I guess, are gonna make this car look 100 times better. So my brother technically didn't have to do any of this. He could even get the original bumper with the damage fixed and repaired. It'd be a lot cheaper, but he just wants to make the car look 100 times better. So he's doing this thing, and I agree with him 100%. So before we go to the paint shop, we're gonna get the paint code, and we're gonna remove this rear diffuser right now, so the paint looks a little cleaner, the work, and just to kind of save, you know, the hassle for the painter. So we're about to remove this rear diffuser. Alright you guys, so while removing that rear diffuser, originally I thought I was gonna need to make a time lapse and fast forward the scene, but didn't have to do that because that literally took 19 seconds, so quite painless, no effort at all. Cavemen do it all the time. And yeah, so that's off, we're good to go, and all we gotta do is go back to the whip, get the paint code, try to load up all the parts, whatever we can, into the Passat, and off we'll go. Believe it or not, we actually fit the front bumper, the rear bumper, and both the pretty decent sized rocker panels. So at first we thought we were going to be making 2 trips to the paint shop, but this Passat has crazy room space inside. So if you're looking for like a mini limo or like a mini S-Class, this thing has this room in the back like crazy.
Second one.
Oh, okay. Why, you like that one better?
Yeah. Could grab some freaking. Perfect for you. Freaking, there's like trucks here, semis and stuff.
Welcome to High Street Shops, the heart of Sacramento, the Slavic community.
Crap, should I went the other way?
Dang, there's like semi trucks down there and stuff. It's gonna be a minute. Got some brand new parts from the dealer right there.
Oh crap, this road is closed.
Oh, just a little fender bender, Maserati. Those cars suck. But that's my honest opinion only. Got an E36 right here. Let's check it out. Elevator seats. Manual transmission, okay. Fellow brothers working out here on High Street. Not bad, not bad. And just like that, we're finally back home. So went to High Street, the painter's shops down there. Dropped off the front bumper, rear bumper, and side skirts. All of that was going to be 400 bucks. That's pretty much what we expected, and because it's pretty much about 100 bucks per piece, but nowadays it's a little more pricey than that. And if it's like a hood or even a larger piece, it's going to be a little bit more. So he wanted to say a little more than 400. We got him down, just said 400. He's like, okay, so that's that. In about a week or two, we're going to get the parts back, install it on the car, and make another video. And before I go, I just wanted to say I'm kind of worn out. So I work 4 days a week, 10 hours a day as a technician or a mechanic or whatever you want to give that job title at a dealership. So this was kind of supposed to be my days off. So I'm going to relax now, do a little bit of editing. It's wearing me out. So just give us a thumbs up for Four Fun Bros. We'll keep the videos coming and stay tuned.